My name is Lorena Fontenot. I'm a full-time student at FAU, majoring in health administration. I'm a healthcare professional with 7 years of experience working in various substance use facilities. I bet you don't know how many people suffer from the disease of addiction. 46 million Americans are affected. This presentation will encompass the nonprofit organization called Partnership to End Addiction. We will discuss important topics like who they are, their mission, the addiction crisis they're up against, and how they advocate for change. And I will also share a personal experience about why I hold this organization close to my heart. This national nonprofit organization is a community of advocates whose mission is to concentrate their efforts on ending the stigma of addiction. It was formed in the early 2000s by the collaboration efforts of two addiction-focused organizations, the Center on Addiction and Partnership for Drug-Free Kids. Their purpose is to provide resources and individualized support to people and families affected by addiction. In 2023, the CDC estimated approximately 108,000 people died from substance use. This is what they're up against. They accomplished their mission by having different types of healthcare professionals, researchers, and policy makers collaborate, gather data, and find resources that they can make available for the community, free of charge. They use real life stories from families, videos, articles, courses, and how-to guides, all free of charge to educate the community. The families that have firsthand experience with being affected by addiction volunteer to help other families as well. They're funded by the government and different organizations. They are also actively inspire change about the stigma of addiction in a nationwide scale by being involved in public health. I chose this philanthropy because this organization advocates for change and they believe in expanding access to addiction healthcare. They advocate for treatment to be more affordable. They advocate for harm reduction efforts like easier access to medication-assisted treatment. This organization is very important to me because I lost one of my best friends from the disease of addiction. Becca was 26 years old when she passed, and she was one of the funniest people I know. She had no insurance to go to rehab, and searching the web, we found Partnership to End Addiction. They helped her with resources and they helped her family understand her addiction in a better way. Ultimately, she didn't take advantage of this help and she did end up losing her battle with addiction. Partnership to End Addiction is an amazing organization that truly changes lives. It gives opportunities to those struggling with addiction by educating them and providing them with resources to change their life and their families. This fabulous nonprofit continues to be aligned with their mission to alter the world's outlook on addiction.